Hi guys, welcome back to LvoeisLV. Today we are going to be styling the Aster style. So we're going to be using a shawl that I got from Julia Rose Boston. You can check her out on Instagram. Today I'm using the black shine shawl. So to get started, you're going to unfold your shawl completely. So this one's reversible, so you can choose whichever side you want to use. And then we're going to take the side with the tag, and with that end, you're going to match it up to the other side. So we're creating a giant triangle. So once you have that, you're going to take the corners and you're going to fold them in and just keep rolling. So this is going to create more length in your shawl, give us more to work with. Not tight, loose. So from there you end up with this. So we're going to put it around our neck. Just make sure that the ends are fairly even. So from here, you're going to take one side, cross it over, and loop it up and under. So from here, it's up to you where you want to adjust it, whether you want it higher or lower down. This style I prefer about this length. So there we go. So with this top part, you're gonna hold it here. I don't know if you can see that. So we're creating kind of like a little circle. And with the end, you're gonna wrap it under the piece that's just laying flat. You're gonna go behind it and through the hole. And then you're gonna pull it. We're going to tighten it a little. So you can see it's kind of like a little square. Then hang. So that's the Aster style, and what's great about this one is it's kind of like a slip knot. So when you want to take it off, you can just pull the one side, and voila. So this one, if you have several colors or this is something you're going to wear to work every morning, you don't have to tie it every morning. You can just slip it back on and tighten it back up. So thank you for watching.